In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Microsoft Outlook with Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll have your Zoho CRM connected to Microsoft, so your contacts stay consistent across both platforms, reducing manual updates and avoiding messy duplicates. Start by opening Zoho CRM and landing on the home page. Make sure you're signed in with a profile that has permission to manage integrations, since only users with the right privileges can enable marketplace apps. From here, look to the top corner of your screen for the Setup Gear icon. This is your gateway to all configuration options in Zoho CRM. Click the Setup Gear to open the Settings area. Inside Settings, find and open Marketplace. Marketplace is where Zoho centralizes official integrations and extensions. Once you're in Marketplace, select the Microsoft category. This groups all the Microsoft-related integrations, so you can quickly locate what you need without hunting through unrelated apps. On the Microsoft page, open the Office 365 integration. You'll see different modules you can connect. For this walkthrough, we're focusing on Contacts. Locate the Contacts option and click Enable. This tells Zoho that you want to turn on contact sync between your CRM and Microsoft. Before you proceed, it's a good idea to think about which account and tenant you'll connect, as the sync will apply to that specific environment. After clicking Enable under Contacts, you'll see a confirmation prompt. Click Enable again to confirm. Depending on your organization's security setup, you may be prompted to sign into your Microsoft account and grant permissions. If you see those prompts, sign in with the correct work account and approve the requested access. Make sure you have the authority to grant these permissions on behalf of your organization, especially if your tenant enforces admin consent. Once enabled, the integration begins setting up in the background. Initial synchronization can take a little time, so be patient. A good practice is to check the integration status back in the Marketplace section if you want reassurance that everything is connected. After the setup completes, test with a single contact to ensure it appears where you expect it. Keep an eye on potential duplicates and review field mappings if your organization uses custom fields, so information like phone numbers and job titles align correctly. That's it. You opened Zoho CRM, used the Setup Gear to reach Marketplace, chose Microsoft, enabled contacts, and confirmed the activation. If this helped you streamline your workflow, give this a like, share it with your team, and subscribe for more.